a vlog, okay? Today, she's going to eat banana puree. Mama cook. Sour. Why you don't like? And then. She want to play with siya spoon. Anak, grabe. Mayaya knows how to swallow na the food. Hello, friends! Lapit tayo, lapit. Excuse me po. How about this one? Other one. Other one. Yeah. Ayaw niyang ibigay yung spoon niya. Excuse me lang po. Wala pa yung food. No food pa yan. No food. Drink ka muna ng water. Water, please. Water, please, water. Water, please. Ano ba? Water, please. Water, please. Ayaw niya talaga ng water. Mababalikukan ka, pare. Hey, pare. This one only. This one only. Bakit? What's the thing? It's okay naman na. Mama boiled this first eh, diba? Don't play. Dad, you don't like the banana.
Oh, why?
Look at your face.
Maybe sour?
It's not sour. Oh my gosh, may anak speaky food. Oh, ayaw niya talaga, dinuduraan niya. Sayang naman to. She don't like it.
Because I guess yesterday she tasted meat.
Oh, really?
I just guess.
When tasted meat, she's not going to eat the vegetable na?
Because meat is
Oh my gosh. Anak, you need to eat even potato. Nako, paray na. I'm dead. I need to boil again new food because Gia don't eat this food. Oh my gosh.